to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'll be doing a 3-in-1, which is get ready with me, chit chat, and I'll be doing the haul at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video because it took me a lot of time to edit. I try to switch up the haul so it's not the same thing, it's not boring all the time. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends and your family, and just share with everyone you know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Another banger.
Okay, so I've been seeing some people do their foundation first, but I don't think that's gonna work for me. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Okay, this is my third take at this video, and honestly, if this one don't work, we just gonna have to find something else. So I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I usually conceal. Y'all know. So yeah, this is supposed to be like a chit chat, but I don't really like have much to discuss. Like, I just really cannot wait till quarantine is over. It is over. Oh my gosh, bro. And what's annoying me is this sound. My neighbors, like, I don't know if they're plumbing or something, but like, are they taking a shower? And it's like, why can't I hear it? Ugh. So yeah, I'm using Fenty concealer in the shade 440, which is the same shade as my foundation, which kind of defeats the purpose, I think. But I mean, who knows? I'm not a makeup artist, so it doesn't really matter to me. So we finna blend. I'm saying we finna, like, I haven't already started. Girl, you don't even know what you do. So yeah, I'm blending my concealer out. And I'm putting it everywhere as if it was foundation. Remember, I'm not a makeup artist. This is, okay, at this point, is this my foundation or is this my concealer? Okay, so next I use Fenty foundation in the shade, oh, I said that already, 440. So I change. Sometimes I put it directly on my face. Sometimes I put it on my brush and then put it on my face. Let me do it how they be doing it on YouTube. I think I put too much. Because Fenty, you really don't be needing that much. Wait, but why are you taking a shower? It's literally like 3 a.m. So I'm just a little bit confused. I mean, it's better 3 a.m. than no time. Okay. So since we're on the subject of showering, let's just go ahead and talk about body odor, because I think that we have come a long way as a human race for people to, I have my mirror right here, so if I look this way, it's because I'm looking at my mirror to make sure I'm blended properly. Oh, Jesus. So yeah, I just feel like we've come a long way as a human race for people to still be musty. I honestly don't really understand that concept, because it's like, what exactly are you doing? Or what aren't you doing? Like, why? There's like, I mean, there's showers, there's deodorant, there's perfume. There's so many things that you can do, but people just don't do it. Like, I don't know. And then it's like, nobody's telling you, but then it's like, how can you tell your friend or they're musty. I feel like I could tell my close friends, but honestly, it's a touchy subject. My friends just don't be musty. Your friends be musty? My friends just don't be musty. And how would you even tell your friend they're musty? Please comment. How would you tell your friend they need to take a shower? And I honestly think some people just cannot control it. Like, my lips is dry. Some people can't control their must. Y'all have been blending for a minute. That's what some of y'all need to start doing, because y'all don't be blending for long enough. Because y'all be different colors. But yeah. So I just thought about something. I think I was supposed to put the concealer over the foundation. So we're just gonna do it properly. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, yeah, so I get ready differently every time. I don't have no set routine. But yeah, so there's just way too many like things out for people to be musty. Like, it just doesn't make any sense to me, honestly. And my lips dry. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, like, just get in the shower, put some deodorant on before you leave the house. You don't have deodorant, you can substitute for perfume, baby powder, baby oil, something scented. Now, if you don't have a shower, that's a different story. If you don't have a shower, I'm not sure what to tell you. But the other part of the shower is the soap. That's the part that I think people forget. It's the soap. You need to have soap in your shower. You can't just get in the water. Because you can go to the pool and get in the water. You can go to the pool. You can stand in the rain and get in the water. But you need soap. Yeah. So, I have really been doing this. I haven't been doing that for a long time. Okay, so. Usually I put my lashes on. That's it. Honestly, I don't do much. Let me line my lips and I'm gonna come back. So I line my lips and I'm about to put glue on my lashes. And I'm like, a lot of my friends have been calling my lashes baby lashes, but I don't care. I don't care. Because I'm not about to be wearing those big lashes on my face because they're not gonna look, sorry y'all, they're not gonna look good on me. I'm using this terrible glue. Like, I don't even know why I'm putting this on right now. And honestly, I don't even know if I wanna wear these, but like, these are slick too much for me. Yeah, I don't really like, but yeah, I'm not about to wear no big lashes that don't look good on me. Is this ASMR? I'm putting the glue on the lashes right now so that by the time I come back, it'll be dry. Yeah, you know, you gotta focus so the glue doesn't spill everywhere. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm focusing, so that's why I'm not talking. Because I know myself. And if I don't focus, the glue will be everywhere. Okay, so okay, when that glue dries, I use, I purposely put everything out so that I wouldn't be looking for stuff. I use this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive when the black dries. And that just makes it like stay longer. I swear, stuff be in your face and you just can't see it. So yeah. Let me put some lip gloss on because I'm kind of dry. A little bit. This is the cutest lip gloss. It has a light. I've had it for so many years. Like, I think I got it in middle school and I just graduated college. Okay. Ooh, I need to fix my hair. So yeah, lashes is drying, lips is popping. Hold that thought. I'm gonna try to put my lashes on camera, and if it doesn't work out, we just gonna cancel that part. So I use tweezers. I just do, well, these are kind of big. Ooh, these are kind of big. I just, below. Don't worry, we're about to fix my hair because I can see some stuff going on. So yeah, like I said, we're just gonna add some of this glue. Wait, okay. It's really like, my resources are depleting and I don't want to go to the beauty supply and have to deal with this virus. And it's just too much. Oh. Maybe I'll get something from Amazon because honestly, I don't like none of this glue that I have. Okay. We're gonna blow again. Look at my bare nails. Oh! So, I'm seeing like a piece of hair or something. And I'm not with that because it's gonna mess up the whole thing. Oh! Okay. So yeah, if this doesn't work on camera, we're gonna do it off. Ooh, child. Just let me bring the camera down some. Okay. Let me just try to. I can tell that this is not gonna go well. So let's just hope for the best. Wait. Y'all, this is not trying to work with me. Hold on. Let me just show my hands at this point. I hate when stuff don't want to cooperate. This is take 4. Okay. So, should I hold? Okay. Let me get myself together. Let me bring myself down. And then I'm going to hold the mirror up. And I'm going to look up or look down and do it from up. Or medium or something. It's like the glue is attaching itself to my hair. Freaking get on my eye before I get mad. Whew, hold on, y'all. I think I'm gonna need 2 hands for this one. No comment. I'm not even about to comment. Have you ever been in oh my gosh. I swear, it never takes me this much Like, it's a lot going on. Why do you look like that? Like, I'm about to cry. It's the, like, I don't know if it's the glue, the band, the lash, but I am about to cry. Because why does it look like this? Oops, sorry. Why does it look like this? Like, this is the second pair. I do not like it. I don't know what's going on. Like, here is just, I don't like these. Like, I don't like them. I do not like these. And there's glue all over my face. Y'all, where did I get these from? It took me about an hour to put on lashes that barely look like anything. Two things that can disappoint you: men and makeup. So I'm not gonna do a lot to my hair because I just don't feel like it. And I honestly usually don't do too much, but I think I'm gonna get some pieces to be a little bit like flatter. Oh, these lashes are really, like, they're really bothering me. They're really bothering me, but like, they rubbing on my, hold on. They rubbing on my eyelash and stuff. Where's that glue? Oh, it's glue. What a pretty girl. Okay, so yeah, this is when I get lazy. This is the lazy flat iron. You just do this. You let it. You do it with this side as well. I sometimes do the back. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I don't do the back. But I'm pretty lazy right now, so I'm not gonna do the back. This is my go-to style. One behind the ear. Pull this guy forward a little bit. Hey, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm about to have like some type of attack with my lashes. Okay guys, this is the completed look. Very natural, I woke up like this look. I will drop the details on my makeup and my hair. Please stick around for my animal print haul that's coming right now. It's about to start right now. Mona Lisa, 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 Linda, Sandra, Sandra, Bella, Bella, Bella. I look up, when I only you where I was. The time no be Benz at all, no be Benz of course. You know I saw. You want money, make you take it easy on me. You want money, if not be you, tell me wake up, be. You want money, make you take it easy on me. You want money, if not be you, tell me wake up, be. Baby, answer me, man. Down. Make you answer me. Okay, make you answer me. Baby, answer me, man. Down. Make you answer me. Okay, make you answer me. Let us be. That's it, what they tell you. But boy say they no sabi. All these girls me I go drop. Except for Susie. What? Now she didn't give me money. Yeah, my
my sugar mommy, and the money, yeah. I'm a drug queen. Me want money, need. Make you take it easy on me, Me want money. If not be you, tell me who it could be on me. Me want money, need. Make you take it easy on me, Me want money. If not be you, tell me who it could be. Baby, answer me, make I know. Down. Make you answer me. Make you answer me. Baby, answer me, make I know. Down. Make you answer me. Make you answer me. Baby, answer me, make I know. Down. Make you answer me. Shawty, make you answer me. Baby, I've been trying to reach you. The noisy make I call you. Reason I would be for an artist sometimes. You know go find it easy. If you ask me, baby, make I tell you. No, everybody would adore you. I don't go for your hand. Me, I don't go for your hand.